These last 4 years have been challenging.
One of the biggest struggles was recuperating and rebuilding after the pandemic.
We had to close our doors.
We had to work hard to try to bring it back.
And that is where the arts comes in.
It's made a big difference in the hope that we have for the future.
Recharging the arts to me means to bring things back to not just how they were, but make them even better going forward.
The arts provide so much more than momentary joy.
They boost our economy.
They provide employment.
Most importantly, the arts enrich our lives.
Our state believes in the value of the arts.
So Oklahoma has recently invested $10 million of federal grant money into the arts sector.
And we're ready to use that grant money to recharge the arts.
Recharge the arts means that we're investing back into our communities that need it the most.
There's so much going on in Southwest Oklahoma, and it's really building up what we're known for in the arts and the cultures that are here.
Art is so powerful for our program. People on the spectrum usually have extreme things that they're interested in. So art becomes a communication tool, and they really just blossom when they get a chance to talk about the things that they really love.
And to see a struggling person walk in the door to participate in an event, that's what art's about.
There's so many talented artists out there in these rural areas that just don't have the chance and the opportunity to show their work that can push them to greater aspirations. And that's our goal, is to help these people. When we found out the ARPA grant had been approved, we were all completely over the moon with excitement.
It truly was a breath of fresh air, and it felt like there was hope, that there was light at the end of the tunnel. It feels incredible to have that support in this state.
Our reaction when we found out about the ARPA grant funding was really extraordinary gratitude and excitement. It just meant to us that we were going to be able to fulfill our mission in our community.
Recharging the arts means getting your community excited to come and participate, no matter what the arts are.
When I think of recharge, I think of our students, and you see the light that just ignites in their eyes when they're getting to create something.
Those are all things that bring a community together and makes it a place where people want to come and live and thrive, and we need that more than ever.
What I hope for the future of the arts in Oklahoma is that we all come together, be united as one in a common bond in the arts.
Our organizations have seen firsthand when the arts thrive, Oklahomans thrive.
Oklahoma's arts sector adds $4.8 billion to our state's economy,
Employs more than 42,000 people.
And fills our state with culture and beauty.
Across the state, Oklahomans are creative and inspired.
and thanks to this grant funding, the arts are here to stay in Oklahoma.